Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We are on a mission this morning. Honestly guys, this is like this probably has made my year what I'm just about to go do. We have the grey Mini on the back, the 70 bullnose, so on my way to go and trade it for something rather huge. You're probably going to see because of the thumbnail, but hey, I am in absolute shock at the moment. What are we doing? This is kind of like any, I think, mini enthusiast's dream to get one of these, but I'm not gonna say too much. Just gonna put some time lapse on and send it, and when we get there I'll show you guys exactly what we're getting. Catch you guys just now. Welcome to South Africa, where our main roads just turn into dirt roads. We love it. This is literally what happens here. But we're just so used to it. It's the absolute best. Honestly, it's what a joke. Goals have been achieved, boys. Wow, I just dropped my phone. I am honestly so happy. Like, I didn't film now when I was loading it, obviously I just didn't, but you can see at the back there we got a pickup. I am so excited. It's like literally a dream come true, and I mean, wow. I will show you guys a proper picture and a walk around of it just now as soon as we stop. I'm just meeting another guy to drop off a cylinder head, and yeah, I will catch you guys there about 20 odd minutes from there, so let's wait a bit, catch you guys now. And out of nowhere, an M4. What? Let's go have a closer inspection on this M4. That is mad. Haven't had a bad car spotting day today, if you ask me. Looks pretty stock though. Doesn't look too bad at all. Not bad, not bad. Not too shabby. Yeah, we see some pretty interesting stuff. M2, M4, and I think that's about it so far. I will definitely show you if we see some other cool things on the road. Guys, here it is. I'm so stoked. I'm honestly, yeah, no words. This is it in all its glory. It has a fixed tailgate. The guy couldn't find an original boot lid. So I need to find original boot lid for the tailgate, should I say. But it's very clean. It is honestly very clean. Only rust I can see is in the corner there, and it looks like they've braced it over here as well. Maybe you can see somebody put a seat in it. That's why. Look at the seat mountings. But I am, wow, I've got no words. I mean, look at this. I'm speechless. I own a pickup. Like, wow. I don't know what to say anymore. I am speechless. Like, properly speechless. What do you guys think we should do though? That's the next thing, the build on this. My thoughts are to take everything from the Clubman build that I was doing now and putting everything on here. So subframes, 1275, the whole shoot. Put it onto here, make this bring it back on and drop all the new stuff on it and bring it up to speed and get it sending again and take it from there. Still need to do a bit of research. I'm not sure if this is an original pickup, but I think it is. Everything seems to check out. I'm going to double check on VINs and all of that stuff and take it from there. But guys, here it is again. So stoked, like honestly ridiculously stoked. Wow. Yeah, no. Let's pack this up for now, go home, and then we'll do a proper walk around when I get home. Catch you guys just now. So we have the car home. Here it is in all of its beauty. I am still beyond stoked, honestly. Gonna put this on the back burner for a bit now and put all my time and effort into this. I think it's gonna be worth it. I did find out it's not an original pickup, but it's not the end of the world. It's a chopped up, I think, estate. Yeah, estate. So obviously it's not exact a real pickup, but exact same body length and wheelbase. So it's perfect candidate for it. So we managed to get it off the trailer and put it inside the barn with the other Mini inside the corner over here. Didn't end up washing it because I'm just going to strip whatever is left of it and cut out the back, this plate over here, and take it straight to sandblasting. And just to get that done quickly and just to see what we really have to do on it and take it from there. But I'm still... I can't believe this is mine, honestly. I'm going to try hop into this as soon as possible and get this going ASAP because this is incredible. So basically, I think I've said enough for this today. And again, I am so stoked, so excited to have one of these in my life. It's going to be huge. I am so excited. So excited for this guy. And I think that is effectively going to wrap up today's video. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all those things. And as always, guys, don't forget to always send it. Catch you on the next one, guys.